Hi, my name's Emma Elizabeth and we're going to be talking all things Velvet Kiss. We have just launched some amazing new lipsticks and brought them out in some really cool compact wheels. These are perfect for MUAs or if you like to travel and can never quite decide what colour lipstick to use. We have 10 lipsticks in the range and they are split over both of the wheels. In Kiss 1 we have Fiery Orange, Red Pleasure, Crimson Crush, Dusted Mauve and Purest Ruby. In the middle we have Blush Rose. Here we have Kiss 2. We have Poppy Punch, Wild Freesia, Soft Petal, Sweet Fuchsia, Blush Rose and Crimson Crush in the middle. Using Kiss 1, I'm going to be applying Blush Rose, which is our middle shade, onto my lips. I'll be decanting this first by using a palette knife and also the palette. Once scraped out onto the palette, it's really important to warm up your product first to make sure your brush is evenly distributed. You want to apply this straight onto the middle portion of your lip to your outer corners. It is a vegan, long-lasting and comfortable wearing lipstick. This lipstick has such a velvety consistency and glides across the lips. It smells really good. I just love how this lipstick makes me feel. It is so comfortable to wear and it has hyaluronic acid in it, jojoba seed oil and marigold extracts. Using Kiss 1, I'm going to be using Fiery Orange for our next look. Again, you want to make sure that your brush is completely saturated both sides for an even coverage. Oh my god, she is so bright. I am obsessed. I've literally got hardly any on this brush and you can see how pigmented it really is. Just a couple of swipes and it's already a true orange. This is just gonna make the lip game so much easier. Look how it just glides. You can see how easily and quickly I was able to get a true colour payoff. I can't tell you how good this feels on my lips. They feel super hydrated and it is such a comfortable feeling. I couldn't recommend these more as a professional makeup artist, but also as a customer. I would recommend this colour for maybe a fun night out or maybe even something like a summer festival. Next, I'm going to be using Kiss 2. I'm going to be using this beautiful coral colour, Wild Freesia. I just love how bright these colours are. Every single one of them comes out so strong. Just with a few swipes and the colour is already so intense. I'm always using the edge of my brush to make sure I get the sharpest lines. And what I love about this colour in particular, you could definitely use this as a cream blusher. It would look so pretty as a spring summer look. It is a semi-matte finish, which is making it really comfortable, but is also going to keep it long wearing throughout the day. They are also smudge resistant, so you know you could carry on your day and you haven't got to worry. Next, I'm going to be using Kiss 2, and I'm going to be using the middle shade, which is Crimson Crush. I honestly wish you guys could feel how creamy these products are. It just feels so good on my lips. I love that it's just an even coverage of product as well and it's not patchy. I just love how intense the colours are, especially this one. It just looks so good on. One of my top tips to make sure that your lipstick stays on and has the best coverage throughout the day is just by making sure you do a quick lip scrub before you apply your lipstick. You can actually buy all of these colours separately, so you don't even have to get them in a wheel if you find one that is your favourite. I'd love to know which one your favourite colour has been. Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching our video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Please make sure to follow, like and subscribe.